How to join someone on the Roblox without being friends. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can join anyone in your Roblox without adding them as a friend. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Roblox, and here you have to search the person ID that you want to play with, and after that you just have to click on it. You have to make sure that you go on the person's people, and after that you just have to click on the enter and you have to go on the search. So now once you are in here, what you have to do is simply select the person ID. Now here you just have to click on their ID. Now how you can play with them without adding them as a friend, what you have to do is simply open up the new tab, and here you have to search for the Chrome web store. Now once you are in, you just have to click on the Chrome web store of the extensions, and here you have to wait for it to open. So once it is open, you have to go on the search the store, and here you have to search for the row searcher. So now once you are in here, you have to click on this Robux row searcher icon, and you just have to click on it and add it to your Chrome. And after adding to your Chrome, you have to go on the add the extension, and after adding it in your extension, you just have to go back to your Google Chrome, and here you have to refresh it, and from here you are able to play with them without adding them as a friend. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.